Hello friends, I wish you all advanced happy new year. Guess whose year 2022 is? Yes, you're right. It's year of tigers. In this video, we will learn how to draw cute little tigers. In real life, tigers are wild, isn't it? But in this video, we will make them cute and little. Tigers are orange in color and have black stripes. A tiger is the largest living cat species. There is a tiger conservation program launched by Government of India. Guess which program it is? Yes, you're right. It is Project Tiger. This program was launched by Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Oh my god, the tigers are so happy, isn't it? They are waiting for New Year and jumping in joy. So I wish you all happy advanced New Year. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and even like this video.